Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Good evening, my dear students. Answer the following questions. 2 marks question. Look at the question number 22. The mode and mean of the given data are 50.5 and 45.5 respectively. Find the mean using formula. So we know the empirical relationship between mode, median and mean. Okay. So here 3 median is equal to 2 into mean plus mode. So here mode and median of the given data 3 into median is 45.5. Is equal to 2 into mean plus mode is 50.5. So 3 into 45.5 is 136.5 is equal to 2 into mean plus 50.5. So 2 into mean is equal to 136.5 minus 50.5. This is equal to 136.5 minus 50.5 is 86. So this is 2 into mean. So mean is equal to, divide both sides by 2. This is equal to 86 divided by 2. This is equal to 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6. So mean is equal to 43. So therefore mean is 43. Look at the question number 23. Find the mean for the given data by direct method. So here, first find the class mark xi for each class interval. So here, class mark is the midpoint of the class interval. So we calculate as lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here xi is 1 plus 5 divided by 2 is 3. 6 plus 10 divided by 2 is 8. 11 plus 15 divided by 2 is 13. 16 plus 20 divided by 2 is 18. So now calculate the product of frequency and class mark for each interval. So fi into xi. So 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 8 3s are 24. 13 4s are 52. 18 2s are 36. So now find the sum of the frequencies and sum of the product. So here frequency, sum of the frequency is 10, 4, 6. this is equal to 11 alva. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So here this is equal to 11. So here summation Fi xi is 6 plus 24. 6 plus 24 plus 52 plus 36 is 118. So 118. So using the direct method formula to calculate mean. So x bar is equal to summation Fi xi is 118 divided by summation Fi is 11. So this is equal to, so 118 divided by 11. This is equal to 10.72. So therefore, mean of the given data is 10.72. Look at the question number 24. Complete the following table by considering the assumed mean of the data to be 62.5. So here midpoint. So midpoint is the average of the lower and upper boundaries of the class interval. So for 10 to 25, so xi is 10 plus 25 divided by 2. So this is 17.5. So next 25 plus 40 divided by 2. So this is equal to 32.5. So 40 plus 55 divided by 2. This is 47.5. 55 plus 70 divided by 2. 62.5. 70 plus 85 divided by 2. This is equal to 77.5. So 85 plus 100 divided by 2. This is equal to 92.5. So now calculate the deviation Ti for each class interval. So here A assumed value is given. This is 62.5. So here deviation is xi minus A. Okay. So here first one is 17.5 minus 62.5. So this is equal to minus 45. 32.5 minus 62.5 is minus 30. 47.5 minus 62.5. So this is equal to minus 15. 62.5 minus 62.5 is 0. 77.5 minus 62.5 is plus 15. 92.5 minus 62.5 is 30. Okay. Answer the following questions. 3 marks question. Look at the question number 25. Find the mean for the given data by direct method. So first find the class marks xi for each class interval. So here class mark is the midpoint of the class interval. So calculate as lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here 45 plus 55 divided by 2 is 50. 55 plus 65 divided by 2 is 60. 65 plus 75 divided by 2 is 70. 75 plus 85 divided by 2 is 80. 85 plus 95 divided by 2 is 90. So now calculate the product of the frequency and class mark for each interval. So Fi into Xi. 50 into 3, 150. 60 into 10, 600. 11 into 70, 770. 80 into 8, 640. 90 into 3, 270. So find the sum of the frequency and product. So here sum 3 plus 10 plus 11 plus 8 plus 3. This is equal to 35. So here 150 plus 600. 150 plus 600 plus 770 plus 640 plus 270. So this is equal to 2430. Okay. So using the direct method formula to calculate mean. So summation Fi is 2430 divided by 35. So this is equal to 2430 divided by 35. So 69.42. So therefore the mean of the given data is 69.42. Look at the question number 26. Find the mean for the given data by direct method. So first find the class mark for each class interval. Here class mark is the midpoint of the class interval. So calculate as upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So here 1 plus 3 divided by 2. 2. 3 plus 5 divided by 2 is 4. 5 plus 7 divided by 2 is 6. 7 plus 9 divided by 2 is 8. 9 plus 11 divided by 2 is 10. So now calculate the product of frequency and class mark. So here Fi Xi. 2 2s are 4. 5 4s are 20. 6 8s are 48. 8 3s are 24. 10 2s are 20. So here find the sum of the frequency is 20. Sum of the product summation Fi is 116. So now using the direct method formula to calculate mean. So this is equal to summation Fi is 116 divided by 20. So this is equal to 5.8. 5.8. Therefore, the mean of the given data is 5.8. Look at the question number 27. Find the mean for the following frequency distribution table. So now find the class mark for each class interval. So here class mark is the midpoint of the class interval. So calculate as lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here 10 plus 14 divided by 2 is 12. 15 plus 19 divided by 2 is 17. 20 plus 24 divided by 2 is 22. 25 plus 29 divided by 2 is 27. 30 plus 34 divided by 2 is 32. So calculate the product of the frequency and class mark for each interval. So here Fi into Xi. 12 twos are 24. 17 threes are 51. 22 fives are 110. 27 threes are 81. 32 twos are 64. So now we find the sum of the frequency. Fi is equal to 15 and summation of Fi Xi is 330. Okay. So now using the direct method formula to calculate the mean. So summation Fi Xi is 330 divided by 15. So 15 ones are 15 twos are 30. 3 remains 15 twos are 30. So X bar. Therefore, the given data is 22. Look at the question number 28. Find the mean for the following frequency distribution table. So here we find the class mark Xi for each class interval. So class mark is the midpoint of the class interval. So calculate as lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2, 45. So now find the product of frequency and class mark for each interval. So Fi Xi. So 5 fours are 20, 15 nines are 135, 25 15s are 375, 35 into 14. So here 490, 45 into 8 is 360. So here we'll find the frequency. Sum of the frequency summation Fi is 50. So summation fi xi is the sum of the product. So this is equal to 1380. Okay. So by using the direct method, so calculate the mean. Summation fi xi is 1380 divided by 50. So here 0 cancels. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 sevens are 35. 5 6 are 30. So x bar is equal to 27.6. So therefore the mean of the given data is 27.6. Look at the question number 29. The mean for the given data is 18. Find the value of x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ mean ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು 18 ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 19 to 21 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 11 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 13 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 is 12. 13 plus 15 divided by 2 is 14. 15 plus 17 divided by 2 is 16. 17 plus 19 divided by 2 is 18. 19 plus 21 divided by 2 is 20. 21 plus 23 divided by 2 is 22. 23 plus 25 divided by 2 is 24. So now calculate the product of the frequency and the class marks for each class interval. So 12 sevens are 84, 14 6 are 84, 16 nines are 144, 18 into 13 234, 20 into x is 20x, 22 into 5 is 110, 24 into 4 is 96. So here find the sum of the frequencies. So this is equal to 44 plus x. So here fi is 752 plus 20x. Okay. So here x bar is equal to summation fi xi divided by summation fi. So x bar mean ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 18. is equal to summation fi xi ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 752 plus 20x divided by summation fi is 44 plus x. So ಇದನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 18 into 44 plus x is equal to 752 plus 20x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 18 into 44 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 792 plus 18 into x is 18x is equal to 752 plus 20x. So like terms ಅನ್ನ separate ಮಾಡಿ 792 minus 752 is equal to 20x minus 18x. So ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 792 minus 752 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 40 ಬರುತ್ತೆ is equal to 20x minus 18x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x. So x is equal to 40 divided by 2. This is equal to 20. So therefore the frequency x is equal to 20 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Look at the question number 30. Find the mean for the following grouped data. So first we calculate the class mark for each class interval. So class mark is the midpoint of the class interval. So we calculate as lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here frequency is 5, 8, 12, 15, 9. 5, 8, 12, 15, 9. 5, 8, 12, 15, 9. Okay. So here xi 15 plus 25 divided by 2. 20. So 25 plus 35 divided by 2. 30. 35 plus 45 divided by 2 is 40. 45 plus 55 divided by 2 is 50. 55 plus 65 divided by 2 is 60. So here the product of frequency and class mark fi into xi is 5 2s are 5 20s are 100. 8 30s are 240. 12 into 40 480. 15 5s are 15 50s are 750. 60 into 9 540. Okay, so summation of fi is 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 15 plus 9. 49. So summation fi xi is 100 plus 240 plus 480 plus 750 plus 540. So this is equal to 2110. So here by using direct method formula to calculate the mean, summation Fi is 2110 divided by summation Fi is 49. So here this is equal to 43.06. So therefore the mean of the given data is 43.06. Look at the question number 31. Find the mean for the following grouped data using assumed mean method. Look at the question number 31. Find the mean for the following grouped data using assumed mean method. So first we calculate the class mark xi for each interval. So the class mark is the midpoint of each class interval. So here 0 to 10. So here 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2 is 45. So choose an assumed mean. So A. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು deviation ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ di xi minus A. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ assumed mean ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ 50 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 50 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 50 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 25. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದು 25 ಅನ್ನೇ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು assumed mean ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 25 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಡಿ ಐ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 5 ಮೈನಸ್ 25 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ 20. 15 ಮೈನಸ್ 25 ಮೈನಸ್ 10. 25 ಮೈನಸ್ 25 0. 35 ಮೈನಸ್ 25 10. 45 ಮೈನಸ್ 35 is 20. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿ ಐ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಎಫ್ ಐ ಡಿ ಐ. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಫ್ ಐ ಡಿ ಐ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. summation fi di. So 5 2s are 5 into minus 20, 100 plus minus minus. 15 into 10, 150 plus minus minus. 25 into, so DIFI alva. So idu DIFI. So idu frequency. So 1 second. Look at the question number 31. Find the mean for the following grouped data using assume mean method. So here, first we calculate the class mark xi for each interval. So class mark is the midpoint of each class interval. So here xi is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2 is 45. So now calculate the deviation. So di is equal to xi minus a. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ assumed mean ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? So a is equal to, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ class interval ಅಲ್ಲಿ first limit ಏನಿದೆ lower limit 0 plus ಈ class interval ಅಲ್ಲಿ last upper limit ಏನಿದೆ 50 ಇದೆ. So divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿ. So a is equal to 50 divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 25 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ xi ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೀಗೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂತ, ಅಥವಾ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 25 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಡಿ ಐ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So here 5 minus 25. So minus 20. 15 minus 25 minus 10. 25 minus 25 is 0. 35 minus 25 is 10. 45 minus 25 is 20. So here fi into di anna find out ಮಾಡೋಣ. So here this is f and this is t. So 7 into minus 20. So minus 140, 8 into 10, minus 80, 12 into 0, 0, 13 into 10, 130, 10 into 20, 200 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ FI DI ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಮೇಷನ್ FI DI is equal to, ಸೊ ಸಮೇಷನ್ FI ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 80 7 plus 8 plus 12 plus 13 plus 10. So 50. Summation FI is 50. So summation FI DI is minus 140 minus 80 plus 130 plus 200. So this is equal to 110. Okay. So ಈಗ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ assumed mean method. So x bar is equal to a plus summation fi di divided by summation fi. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಏನಿದೆ 25. Okay. So 25 plus summation fi di is 110 divided by 50. So this is equal to 25 plus 110 divided by 50 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2.2. So this is equal to 27.5. So x bar is equal to 27.5. So therefore the mean for the given group data using the assumed mean method is 27.2. Okay, so 27.2. Look at the question number 32. Find the mean for the following data using step deviation method. So here, first calculate the midpoint and total frequency. So here, summation Fi, 7 plus 15 plus 20 plus 8 plus 5. So this is equal to 55. So here xi is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 20. 70, 80 plus 100 divided by 20, 100 plus 20 divided by 2 is 110. So deviations. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯು ಐ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಐ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಚ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ 20 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ 120. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 120 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 20 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 140 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು 2 ಬಂದ್ಲೆ 270 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 70. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 70 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 70. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯು ಐ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಐ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಐ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಚ್. 30 ಮೈನಸ್ 70 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 20. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಚ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 20 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ -2. 50 ಮೈನಸ್ 70 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 20 -1. 70 ಮೈನಸ್ 70 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 20. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0. 90 minus 70 divided by 20. So this is +1. 110 minus 70 divided by 20. So this is equal to 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ summation fi ui ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ fi ui ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 7 into -2 -14. 15 into -1 is -15. 20 into 0 is 0. 8 into 1 is 8. 5 into 2 is 10. Okay. So ಈಗ sum of fi ui ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ fi ui. So this is equal to -14 -15 plus 8 plus 10. So this is equal to -11 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಐ ಯು ಐ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಐ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ಎ is 70 plus h is 20 into summation fi ui is -11 divided by 55. Is equal to 70 plus, so here plus minus minus ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, minus 11 ones are 11 5s. So 5 ones are 5 4s. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus minus minus 4 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So 70 minus 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, 66. So therefore the mean for the given data using step deviation method is 66. Okay. Look at the question number 33. Find the mean for the following grouped data. So here, first find the class mark xi for each class interval. So here class mark is the midpoint of the class interval. So calculate as lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2 is 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2 is 55. So now calculate the product of frequency and class mark for each interval. Fi xi. 15 twos are 30. 25 threes are 75. 35 5s are 175. 45 7s are 315. 55 3s are 165. Okay. Now calculate the sum of the frequency and product. So summation Fi is equal to 20. So summation Fi xi is 760. So using direct method formula to calculate mean, summation Fi xi is 760 divided by 20. So 0 0 cancels. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. So x bar is equal to 38. So therefore the mean of the given data is 38. Find the mean for the following grouped data. So here, first calculate the class mark for each class interval. So class mark is the midpoint of the class interval. Calculate as upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So here, 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2 is 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2 is 55. So here we calculate the sum of the frequencies. Summation Fi is 20. So now calculate the product of frequency and class marks. So this is 15 into 2 is 30. 25 3s are 75. 35 6 are 210. 45 5s are 225. 55 4s are 220. So now find the mean by using direct method formula. So here x bar is equal to summation Fi xi. So here summation Fi xi is equal to 760. So substitute 760 divided by 20. So this is equal to 0 0 cancels. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. Look at the question number 34. find the mean for the following grouped data. So here, first find the class mark xi for each class interval. So class mark is the midpoint of the class interval. Calculate as lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2 is 45. 50 plus 60 divided by 2 is 55. So here Fi Xi, the product of frequency and class mark. 50 2s are 30, 25 3s are 75, 35 6s are 210, 45 5s are 225, 55 4s are 220. So now calculate the sum of the frequencies. Summation Fi is 20, summation Fi Xi is 760. So now by using the direct method formula to calculate mean, summation Fi Xi is 760 divided by 20. So 0 0 cancels, 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. So x bar is equal to 38. So therefore the mean of the given data is 38. Look at the question number 55. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. So first we identify the model class and required variables. So here the model class is the class with the highest frequency. Okay. So which is 30 to 40. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ highest frequency ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ 12 ಅಲ್ವಾ. So the class interval ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 30 to 40. So with the frequency of 12. So from the table and formula, we identify the following variables. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ L ಅಂದ್ರೆ lower boundary of the model class ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 30. So frequency of the model class ಯಾವುದು F1 ಅಲ್ವಾ. This is 12. So F0 is 4. F2 is 3. So class width H is 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So this is equal to 10. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, substitute the values into the mode formula. So this is equal to 30 plus 12 minus 4 divided by 2 into 12 minus 4 minus 3 into 10. So this is equal to 30 plus 12 minus 4 is 8 divided by 24 minus 7 is 17 into 10. So this is equal to 30 plus 80 divided by 17. So this is equal to 30 plus 80 divided by 17 is 4.70. So this is equal to 34.7. So the mode for the given frequency distribution table is approximately 34.7. Look at the question number 56. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. So identify the model class and the variables for the formula. So here the model class is the class interval with the highest frequency. So in this case, the highest frequency is 8. So which corresponds to the class interval 15 to 20. Okay. So here the lower limit of the model class is 15. Frequency of the model class F1 is 8. F0 is 5. F2 is 4. So class height or class size H is 5. So apply the formula for the mode of group data. So this is equal to 15 plus 8 minus 5, F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into 8 minus 5 minus 4 into H is 5. So this is equal to 15 plus 8 minus 5 is 3 divided by 16 minus 9 is 7 into 5. So this is equal to 15 plus 5 3s are 15 divided by 7. So this is equal to 15 plus 15 divided by 7 is 2.1428. So this is equal to 17.14. So therefore, the mode for the given frequency distribution table is approximately 7.14. Look at the question number 57. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. So here the highest frequency is 8. So which corresponds to the class interval 3 to 5. So this is the model class. From the model class, we identify the following values. So here F1, F0, L and H. So here lower limit L of the model class is 3. F1 is the frequency of the model class is 8. F0 is the frequency of the preceding the model class is 7. And F2 is 2. And H is the class size This is 5 minus 3. So 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7. So H is 2. H is 2. So substitute the values. So this becomes 3 plus 8 minus 7 divided by 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2 into H. H is 2. So this is equal to 3 plus 8 minus 7 is 1 divided by 16 minus 9 is 7 into 2. So this is equal to 3 plus 2 by 7. So this is equal to 3 plus 2 by 7 is 0.2857 is equal to 3.286. So therefore, the mode for the given frequency distribution table is 3.286 approximately. Look at the question number 58. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. So here identify the model class and relevant values. So here the model class is the one with the highest frequency. So which is 60 to 80 with frequency 61. So here the lower limit L is, the lower boundaries of the model class L is 60. The frequency of the class preceding the model class F0 is 52 and F1 is 61, F2 is 38 and H is the width. So this is equal to 20. So apply the formula for the mode. So this is equal to 61 minus 52 divided by, so here L plus, so L is 60. So here L is 60 plus 61 minus 52 divided by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into H is 20. So 60 plus 61 minus 52 is 9 divided by 161 into 2 is 122 minus 122 minus 52 minus 38. 52 minus 38 into 20. So this is equal to 60 plus 9 divided by 122 minus 52 minus 38. We'll get 32 into 20. So this is equal to 60 plus 9 into 20 is 180 divided by 32. So this is equal to 60 plus 180 divided by 32 is 5.625 is equal to 65.625. So therefore, the mode for the given frequency distribution table is 65.625. Look at the question number 59. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. So here the highest frequency is 15, which corresponds to the model class 20 to 30. Okay. So in this model class, lower limit L is 20, F1 is 15, F0 is 9, F2 is 9, and H is the class size is 10. So apply the formula. So this is equal to L is 20 plus 15 minus 9 divided by 2 into 15 minus 9 into H is 10. So this is equal to 20 plus 15 minus 9 is 6 divided by 30 minus 18. 12 into 10. So this is equal to 20 plus 6 by 12 is 0.5 into 10. So this implies 20 plus 0.5 into 10 is 5. So this is equal to 25. So therefore, the mode for the given frequency distribution table is 25. Look at the question number 60. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. So here the model class is the class interval with the highest frequency. In this case, the highest frequency is 15. So which corresponds to the class interval 20 to 30. So here L, lower limit L is the model class of the lower limit is 15, 20, and F0 is 9, F1 is 15, F2 is 11, and H is the width. This is 10. So substitute the value into the formula. So this becomes 15. Here L is 20. 20 plus 15 minus 9 divided by 2 into 15 minus 9 minus F0 minus F2 is 11 into H. H is 10. So this is equal to 20 plus 15 minus 9 is 6 divided by 30 minus 9 minus 11. 10 into 10. So this is equal to 20 plus 60 divided by 10. So this is equal to 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. So therefore the mode for the given frequency distribution table is 26. Look at the question number 61. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. So here identify the model class and relevant variable. So the model class is the class with the highest frequency. So in this case, the highest frequency is 8, which corresponds to the class interval 10 to 20. So here, lower limit of the model class is 10 and F1 is 8, F0 is 7, F2 is 2 and H is 10. So apply the mode formula. So here L is 10 plus 8 minus 7 divided by 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2 into 10. So here 10 plus 8 minus 7 is 1 divided by 16 minus 9 is 7 into 10. So this is equal to 10 plus 10 by 7. So this is equal to 10 plus 10 by 7 is 1.42. So this is equal to 11.43. So therefore, the mode for the given frequency distribution is approximately 11.43. Look at the question number 62. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. So here the model class is the class interval with the same highest frequency. So in this table, the highest frequency is 8. So here, which corresponds to the class interval 4 to 6. Okay. So identify the variables for the mode formula. So here, lower limit. So L of the model class. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ 1 to 3, 4 to 6. So continuous ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3.5 ಇಂದ 6.5 ತನಕ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 3.5 ಟು 6.5 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಜ್ ಎಚ್ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ 6.5 ಮೈನಸ್ 3.5 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಚ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 3. ಓಕೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ F0. So F0 is 7. F1 is 8. F2 is 2. Okay. So substitute the value into the formula. So we'll get 3.5 plus. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ lower limit ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 3.5 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 3.5 to 6.5. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3.5 plus 1 divided by, 1 ಅಲ್ಲ 8 minus 7 divided by 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2 into H is 3. So this is equal to 3.5 plus 8 minus 7 is 1 divided by 16 minus 9 is 7 into 3. So this is equal to 3.5 plus 3 by 7. So this is equal to 3.5 plus 0.4285. So this is equal to 3.928. So therefore, the mode for the given frequency distribution table is approximately 3.928. Look at the question number 63. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. So here the highest frequency is 8. So the class interval is 25 to 35. So here L, lower limit of the model class is 25. F1 is model class 8. F0 is model class of the preceding. F0 is 4 and F2 is 7. So H is the width size. This is equal to 10. So substitute the values. So this becomes 25 plus 8 minus 4 divided by 2 into 8 minus 4 minus 7 into 10. So this is equal to 25 plus 8 minus 4 is 4 divided by 16 minus 11. So this is 5 into 10. So this is equal to 25 plus 10 fours are 40 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 eights. So this is equal to 25 plus 8 is equal to 33. Okay. Look at the question number 64. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. So here the model class is the class interval with the highest frequency. The highest frequency is 9. So which corresponds to the class interval 20 to 30. So identify the variables for the mode formula. So here lower limit of the model class L is 20. F1 is 9, F0 is 3, F2 is 6 and H is 30 minus 20. So this is 10. Okay. Apply the mode formula. So formula for the mode is L plus F0, F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here L is 20 plus 9 minus 3 divided by 2 into 9 minus 3 minus 6 into h is 10. So this is equal to 20 plus 9 minus 6 is 9 minus 3 is 6. Look at the question number 64. Find the mode for the following frequency distribution table. So here the model class is the class interval with the highest frequency. So the highest frequency is 9. So which corresponds to the class interval 20 to 30. So here L is the lower limit of the model class is 20 and F1 is 9. F0 is 3, F2 is 6, H is 10. Apply the mode formula. So substitute the values. So this becomes 20 plus 9 minus 3 divided by 2 into 9 minus 3 minus 6 into H is 10. So this is equal to 20 plus 9 minus 3 is 6 divided by 18 minus 9 is 9 into 10. So this is equal to 20 plus 60 divided by 9. So 20 plus 60 divided by 9 is 6.67. So this is equal to 26.67. So therefore, the mode for the given frequency distribution table is approximately 26.67. ಐವತ್ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸಿ. ಈ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ ವಿತರಣಾ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯ ಮಧ್ಯಾಂಕವನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನೀಡಲಾದ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ ವಿತರಣಾ ಪಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಂಚಿತ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಸಂಚಿತ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಸಂಚಿತ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ 15 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 110 125 125 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 135 260 260 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 15 375 375 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 25 400. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಮೊತ್ತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? 400. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಧ್ಯಮ ವರ್ಗವನ್ನ ಗುರುತಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯಮ ವರ್ಗ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? n/2 ಆಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಿದೆ 400 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 200. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಚಿತಾವೃತ್ತಿ 200ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುವ ಮೊದಲ ವರ್ಗಾಂತರ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? 200ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುವ ಮೊದಲ ವರ್ಗಾಂತರ 56ರಿಂದ 58 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮಧ್ಯಾಂಕದ ವರ್ಗವು 56ರಿಂದ 58 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂತ್ರ L ಪ್ಲಸ್ n/2 ಮೈನಸ್ CF ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ F ಇಂಟು H ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ L ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಮಧ್ಯಾಂಕ ವರ್ಗದ ಕೆಳಮಿತಿ 56, CF ಮಧ್ಯಾಂಕ ವರ್ಗದ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸಂಚಿತ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ 125, ಮಧ್ಯಾಂಕ ವರ್ಗದ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ F 135, H ವರ್ಗಾಂತರದ ಗಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ 56ರಿಂದ 58, 56, 57, 58 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 3 ಇದೆ. H ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? 3. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸೂತ್ರವನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ L ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? 56 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 200 ಮೈನಸ್ 125 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 135 ಇಂಟು H ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ? 3 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 56 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 200 ಮೈನಸ್ 125 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 75 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 135 ಇಂಟು 3. ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 56 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 75 ಇಂಟು 3. 5 3 15 22 225 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 135. ಸೊ 56 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1.66 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 57.66 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದತ್ತಾಂಶದ ಮಧ್ಯಾಂಕವು ಸರಿಸುಮಾರು 57.66 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅರವತ್ತೆರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸಿ. ಈ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ ವಿತರಣಾ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯ ಬಹುಲಕವನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಆವೃತ್ತಿ 8 ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾದ ವರ್ಗಾಂತರ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, 4 ರಿಂದ 6 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಬಹುಲಕ ವರ್ಗ 4 ರಿಂದ 6. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹುಲಕದ ಸೂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸುವ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಬಹುಲಕ ವರ್ಗದ ಕೆಳಮಿತಿ 4, ಬಹುಲಕ ವರ್ಗದ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ F1 8, ಬಹುಲಕ ವರ್ಗದ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವರ್ಗದ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ F0 7, ಬಹುಲಕ ವರ್ಗದ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಗದ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ F2 2, ವರ್ಗಾಂತರದ ಗಾತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ 4 ರಿಂದ 6, 7 ರಿಂದ 9. ಸೊ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 3.5 ಇಂದ 6.5 ತನಕ ಸೊ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ 1 ಇಂದ 3.5, ಸೊ 0.5 ಇಂದ 3.5, 3.5 ಇಂದ 6.5, 6.5 ಇಂದ 9.5. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಗ ವರ್ಗಾಂತರದ ಗಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, 3 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ H ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ, 3. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂತ್ರವನ್ನ ಅನ್ವಯಿಸೋಣ. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3.5 ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3.5 3.5 plus F1 8 minus 7 divided by 2 into 8 minus 7 minus 2 into 3. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3.5 plus 8 minus 7 1 divided by 16 minus 9 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 7 into 3. So 3.5 plus 3 by 7. So 3.5 plus 3 by 7 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0.428. So 3.5 plus 0.428. So this is equal to 3.928 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ, ದತ್ತ ಆವೃತ್ತಿ ವಿತರಣಾ ಪಟ್ಟಿಯ ಬಹುಲಕ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 3.928 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. I will end the class, continue in the next class. Thank you.